Today we're going to take you through putting a sport windshield on an RXV. First thing you need to do is remove the access covers from both the driver and passenger side of the glove box on the car. The sport windshield comes assembled, so now all you got to do is put the windshield frame into place, sliding it into the factory roof strut mounts. Using the supplied 3/8 by 3/4 inch bolts, mount the sport windshield to the factory roof strut mounts. There's threaded nuts already installed on the inside that you'll be going into. Do the same for both driver and passenger side. Once you have it securely tightened, reinstall the access covers to both the driver and passenger side of the car. Now that the windshield's installed, pull off your plastic protective covering and you're ready to go.